welcome back to my channel. Today we will do unboxing. I ordered this one from Body Shop. These are all my skincare routine. So I ordered this through online because of lockdown. All shopping malls are currently closed here in Riyadh. Though during Ramadan, they open it partially. So from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. we are allowed to go out. But I don't want to risk myself. So I just decided to order it through online. So it came today. I ordered it last week. Approximately, I think, 9 working days before it arrived. When it came in, I already cleaned it. But, sorry. Just to make sure, let's clean it again because we don't know where this package have been. That's it. Also, let's sanitize our hand as well. So this is how it looks like. It just came with this box. Let's see. It comes with this bubble plastic. So I have to clean all of this as well. I'm sorry for being so OC, but I think I have to clean it because I am not sure where are these things came from. So we have to make sure also that we disinfect everything. First one, this T3 123 Clearer Skin Kit. I will try this one because I have a lot of blemishes nowadays. Because during this COVID crisis, we are using face masks all the time. I think I got an allergy for that, and I got a lot of pimples all over my face and also some rashes. So for this set, it cost 72 SR. For Body Shop, actually, you will see an arrow here. Sorry, it's not focusing again. So you will see an arrow here. You just have to peel that off, and you will find the ingredients or the contents of these products, and some also of the instruction. It's here. You can read it. Not focusing, really sorry. I'm sorry. I don't know what is happening with my camera. It's not focusing. I'm sorry. But if you will notice, some of beauty products or skincare products or even makeup, you will find like this, showing 12 months. So means to say, from the time you will open, 12 months from that time, it will be expired. If you will notice, you will not see any date for expiry. Next one is this one, the night lotion. This one comes with this pump. This is 48 SR. Then next, this one, let me just open it. It's too light. We'll let you know if I will open this one. Okay. For me, I'd rather invest in skincare than in makeup. That's why I'm really careful choosing with skincare. So this is the T3 Skin Clearing Daily Solution. I'm gonna use this one during the day, and this one is during the night. This is 73 as I'm really hoping that this will work. Next, for moisturizer, vitamin E. This I am using since I was in college. I think I'm using this one, I think 9 to 10 years from now, and I'm really satisfied of this one on my face. There's a lot of moisturizer now. Also for my face mist, I'm using the vitamin E ml, and this is 52 SR. And then lastly, this is the Body Shop Warm Vanilla Body Yogurt. It is 62 SR. This one is the Warm Vanilla Shower Gel. And this is 41 SR. And